What's up, my travel and foodie fans? Chef Q here, and today we are picking up where we left off last time at the San Francisco Ferry Building. No! Oh no! We missed the ferry. Oh shit. From my family history, we are good at being late. Nói không ăn đậu không phải là mễ, không đi trễ không phải là Việt Nam. Well, we missed our ferry. We're gonna have to wait till 7 o'clock. So as we boarded back on the ferry to go back to the Oakland Ferry Landing, we were glad that we missed that 5 o'clock ferry trip. Leaving the San Francisco Ferry Building at 7 o'clock was the perfect time. We got the perfect view of the Bay Bridge during the sunset. It's probably the only time I was glad that we were late. Okay, so we just landed. So this is the ferry landing from Oakland. We are going to walk down to Jack London Square. That is where the restaurant that we're going to eat. Oh, look at my mom doing yoga like this. Okay. Huh. Oh, we got motels here. That's the back pier. What's up, fam? We are at Jack London Square. Right now we are going to Thai Farmhouse. It's a Thai food here in Oakland. This Jack London Square is close to the Oakland Ferry Landing. So it's fairly empty because of COVID and a lot of shop closed. But this place seems like they're doing good. It's Farmhouse Kitchen. What the heck?
What did they call it?
And what is that restaurant called?
Thai
Farmhouse.
Thai Farmhouse.
Thai Farmhouse. So this place is actually called Farmhouse Kitchen. It looks like there are a lot of tables outside.
We have 3 questions for our customer safety. Please say yes or no. So in the past 10 days, have you all been diagnosed with COVID-19?
No.
Vaccinated, right?
No. Diagnosed?
No.
Or diagnosed? Oh, no.
No.
In the past 14 days, have you
She said yes.
Alright, you're out.
So in the past 14
No.
days, have you
No.
no any symptoms?
No.
All right.
Oh my god. Wow.
Nó hỏi mày có lần bớt tao không?
Đây.
Có trả lại cho tao không đâu? Nó hỏi là bắt mày bắt nhiều.
Everything is already sanitized and provided a code for the menu right over here.
Awesome.
Server will be here in front, okay?
Thank you. So we scan this code now. All right, we got this. I think this is what we are getting. Little loud table set for 2. It comes with everything. Whoa, the menu looks very, very fancy and basil bomb. Yeah, we can order that and add on other stuff. Ooh, all the drinks. Wow, lots of stuff on here. Ooh, they give us these fancy plates. I got a lizard, or what is this? Con này gọi là con gì quên rồi? English.
I don't know. I'm not interested in them.
Look at these fancy, pretty plates. Each person has a different one. Well, this one's kind of the same as the other one, but different colors. Very fancy. Even the tea set is fancy, but comes out a whole bunch of flavors. We didn't know. We ordered like 5 each. That's a lot. It's like 5, but each of this is good for 2. Didn't know that. Didn't know that. What's this? Like $5? Hey! Yay! Food is here. Basil bomb. It sure does smell like basil. This is like pork. We got pork, squid, bunch of stuff, an egg, rice. This is $35. And this is tofu drunken noodles from mom. Vegetarian. Dạ, mời má. Má ăn cái này, con không có coi cái đó đâu. Con phải ăn cái này. Okay. Let's share what we got. We got the egg on top, some shrimp, and scallop. Wow. And these look like pork, some squid. It's like a stir-fry dish with a bunch of basils and spice. This nước mắm fish sauce. Okay. Dạ, mời cả nhà. Wow, look at this pretty plate. Pretty plate. On a pretty plate. I think it might taste even better on a pretty plate, right? Oh, can we get a few pair of chopsticks? Do you have chopsticks? Yeah, thank you. Gotta have my chopsticks. Let's try this first before the chopsticks come out. Let's try the scallop first. Scallop. Really big scallop. Ooh. Yeah, definitely Asian food. Full of basil. It's called basil bomb for a reason, right? Oh yeah. Oh. Some squid. Wow. Very fresh. Most of the stuff here are spicy, I guess. It's Thai food. You have to know how to eat spicy.
Yeah, wow.
Oh, the big one coming out. Whoa. Now there's a lot of stuff to try. But he told us there's appetizers and stuff first. Got the papaya salad here. We told them, oh, make it mild. They're like, nope. It's either you have it or you don't. All right, papaya salad. Very fresh, super fresh, crunchy, spicy. You get that little citrus and the saltiness from the fermented shrimp paste. It's definitely spicy. Ooh, let's try this beef roll. It's in some kind of sauce here, and it's wrapped. What's in the middle? I want to taste the sauce. It's like a cilantro sauce. This is some sort of cilantro sauce. Let's try this. Oh, let me cut this out just to see the middle. So this is like a raw beef inside, is cucumber inside with a cilantro sauce. So they grill this, and there's like the scent of basil on there too. It's seasoned perfectly. Wow. I think this is probably the star of the plate here. This beef short rib with panang sauce, and then they fry these basil on here. Fried basil on here. Wow. Oh shoot. Whoa. Wow. There's some on here. Suck on this. Suck on this bone. Wow. Wow. That's the first time I have short rib with Thai style. It just fall off the bones, and the sauce, the Penang sauce, that spicy curry sauce on top of like a braised beef short rib. Wow. What? There's so much food on this plate. I don't even know where to start. It's a lot of food. They said this plate is for 2 people.
I think it's enough for 3.
Man, this is enough for like 3, maybe even 4. This beef. This tender beef. Look, it just falls onto my fork. There's some of the sauce. There's some basil, some fried basil in here already. Ooh, beef short rib with Penang sauce. Wow, smells smoky, spicy, and curry flavor. Wow. Oh yeah. Ooh, that creamy coconut flavor and spice, and that tenderness from the short rib. It just falls out the bone. Try this one. This is a vegetarian spring roll. Looks like rice paper outside with the peanut sauce. Vegetarian, so got some rice noodles in here and a bunch of veggies. Let's try this. Oh, a spring roll with peanut sauce. The peanut sauce is sweet and buttery. That crisp, fresh flavor. Oh, let's try the fried chicken. The Thai fried chicken. Ooh. Typical fried crispy chicken. But the thing is, it's been out here for a while and it's still crispy. That means it's good. Oh, let's get this blue rice. Okay. Look at blue rice. We're gonna eat this with the curry. With this, the curry. There's these chunks in here in the curry. I don't know what it is. Let's try it. I think it might be potato or something. Ooh, put it on this curry here. Blue rice with Penang curry. Wow. This blue rice has a different aroma to it. It's not just colored blue. I think it's like, yeah, the blue rice. It's not just regular rice. That's colored blue. That's like, it's floral tasting. Some sort of floral tasting. And the curry, coconut curry, coconut Penang curry, I guess. What is that chunk? Oh, chunks of potatoes. There's no meat in there. But it's just the right amount of sweetness and saltiness. And the aroma, of course, is basil aroma. Let's try. Yeah, the pad thai is really good. I can definitely taste the tamarind, the sweetness of it too. Very sweet tamarind flavor. Tiny bit spicy. The pad thai is really good. I say, what? 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. What other things that I haven't tried yet?
Eggplant.
The shrimp fries. Well, the eggplant is just, got the eggplant. It's just eggplant stir fried in what is it? The Thai basil sauce. Actually, this one tastes different. It's like a spicy garlic sauce. Unique, very different. Next is the prawn fried rice. Prawn fried rice
Ai nấu mặn hả? Như nãy cái
with the prawns.
rau nè.
More
Cái
shrimp.
này có giá em không anh?
Ooh. Prawn fried rice
Cái này cho 4 người.
with the prawns.
75-80 đồng quá thôi.
I think the fried rice is minimum. Just regular fried rice. Nothing special. They have tomato in there. I wonder. There's like a tomato fried rice. Tomato prawn fried rice. Yeah. The fried rice didn't really stand out to me actually. It's still good, still edible. I give it a 6 out of 10. I guess it's because last night we tried a really good Chinese fried rice. Anything else I need to try?
Fruits.
I tried that. I tried that already. Okay, everything's good. Okay. Enjoy your food, guys.
Bây giờ chị đã hiểu cảm giác em chưa vừa bị đói vừa không được lên tiếng. Muốn kêu cái gì là phải chuẩn bị liền.
Alright guys, so that is it for our Bay Area trip. Spent a few days here, got to eat a lots of good food, get to see a lot of awesome places, but it's time to go back to San Diego tonight. Well, until next time, thanks guys, peace. Okay, say bye. Say bye guys. Bye.